Hello, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of pampering and relaxation. We're comparing two distinct experiences, the indulgence of a high-end spa day and the coziness of a DIY spa at home. We'll be exploring treatments, ambience, and cost-effectiveness. Firstly, let's talk about treatments. At a high-end spa, you can indulge in luxurious treatments, ranging from massages to wraps to facials. The experts in these establishments can offer unique experiences that you may not be able to replicate at home. However, with a DIY spa day at home, you have complete control over your treatments and can tailor them to your needs. Next, let's talk about ambience. A high-end spa offers a serene environment where you can relax and forget about the world for a few blissful hours. The atmosphere is designed to help you unwind and de-stress. On the other hand, at home, you can create your own ambience by lighting candles, playing soothing music, and making your space exactly how you like it. Lastly, we have cost-effectiveness. While high-end spas are undeniably luxurious experiences that come with a price tag to match, DIY spas are much more affordable. You won't need to shell out big bucks for one-time treatments. Instead, you can use inexpensive ingredients from your pantry or local store. In conclusion, both experiences offer their unique pros and cons. High-end spas provide professionally administered treatments in a relaxing atmosphere, but come with a hefty price tag. On the other hand, DIY spas allow for personalized treatments in an environment that suits you best, but may not offer the same expertise as professionals do. Ultimately, it's up to you which one suits your needs and budget better. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and insights. Until next time.